And hello again. This time we will talk about what we can do for you if you have concerns about damp and mould. Firstly, for those in the business, we provide training courses. We train loss adjusters, loss assessors, claims handlers, surveyors, water damage restoration contractors, cleaners and other trades in restoring buildings following fire, water damage and biological contamination. For the general public, we help with situations where mould is clearly visible or suspected. We can help from the point of discovery to the validation of completed remediation works. Not all our clients require help with every stage, but we offer online face-to-face consultations or surgeries for those who want to discuss the issues specific to their household. Damp and mould surveys of buildings. Air, surface and DNA sampling to try to quantify the severity of a problem. Written reports with proposed actions to eliminate or reduce a problem. We can collaborate with your chosen contractor to construct a sequence of works, also known as a protocol, for them to follow. We can offer post-remediation verification services to prove that works carried out by your contractor were effective and met stated targets. For some clients, a home test may be an option and we can provide these. What we do not do is investigate the extent of your mould problem and then offer the remediation services ourselves. We consider this a conflict of interests. It is stated as such in the ANSI IICRC S520 Professional Standard for Mould Remediation. Anyone claiming to quantify your problem, offer the solution and deliver a result which cannot be verified by the naked eye is effectively marking their own homework. We can provide training, consultancy and investigation services. The most we can do with regard to remediation services is to provide lists of companies in your area that we know have had adequate training. No matter who does your mould remediation work, we can help you survey your home and organise your activities to give you the best chance of getting your mould problem solved. Our next video defines what solved means in the context of mould remediation from our point of view. Thank you for watching.